Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to move and perfectly position a custom logo on your WordPress website. Whether you're building your brand or giving your site a professional touch, getting your logo placement right is crucial. Stick around because by the end of this video, your logo will look clean, balanced, and perfectly aligned. First, log into your WordPress.com account. Once you're in, look to the right panel for quick links and click Edit Site. This will open the site editor, where you can customize almost every element of your website. Inside the editor, click anywhere on your website to reveal editable elements. Find your site logo and click on it. You'll see a drag feature appear right above the logo. This is your magic tool. Simply click and drag your logo to reposition it anywhere on the page. It's intuitive and gives you full control over its placement. Once you've moved your logo, an Align option will appear on top. Here, you can choose to align your logo to the left, center, or right. This step is vital because proper alignment not only looks visually appealing but also ensures your site feels balanced and professional. Remember, the position of your logo impacts your website's aesthetics and user experience. A well-placed logo guides visitors' eyes naturally and strengthens your brand identity. Take a moment to make sure your logo flows seamlessly with other elements like menus, headers, and banners. After positioning and aligning your logo, review the overall layout. Make sure it's exactly where you want it and that everything feels visually balanced. A small adjustment here or there can make a big difference in how professional your site looks. And that's it. Moving and positioning your logo in WordPress is simple, but getting it just right can elevate your entire website. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and comment below if you have any questions. Your website deserves to look its best, so start tweaking that logo today.